The first ever Jammu and Kashmir Real Estate Summit is currently underway in Jammu city. I have with me Mr. Rajan Bandelkar. He is the president of National Real Estate Development Council. Mr. Bandelkar, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India today and welcome to the City of Temples.
Thank you, sir. With me, I have Dinesh Kapila, sir, Economic Advisor, MOA, Government of India.
So, sir, tell me that what potential do you see for the real estate sector in Jammu and Kashmir?
सर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर को जन्नत जहान कहते हैं। तो जब जन्नत में जाना है तो पोटेंशियल देर इज नो लिमिट, स्काई इज अ लिमिट।
The summit is currently on. Investors from across the country have come, but will the investment actually come to Jammu and Kashmir? I understand that MOUs have been signed, but when will we see things on ground?
See, we know it's not an easy task, it's a difficult task. तो मैंने बचपन में एक मुहावरा सुना था कि आसान काम सभी लोग करते, कार्य कठिन है इसलिए करने योग्य है। तो हम कठिन कार्य है और उसको करके दिखाएंगे। और ये अगर आपने देखा होगा
You feel it's a very challenging task.
या इट्स अ चैलेंजिंग टास्क।
It is challenging, but there are so many low-hanging fruits here, and the region is full of opportunities. And I think the signal that is going to the real estate sector and all the potential investor is very good. And people from all over the country would like to come here and invest here. And also, many people they would want to have a second home in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Mr. Kapila, the J&K government has said that it's going to provide many incentives to, investors. It said that it's going to provide concession in stamp duty and there will be single window clearance here for the investors. Do you think that it is going to infuse confidence among the investors?
Yes, definitely. I think if you see the examples of Maharashtra and Karnataka, Mumbai, the stamp duty rates were cut for some time, but the momentum that was generated because of that cut, it led to highest ever registration in the city of Mumbai in the last 10 years. So in the calendar year 21, already more than 1 lakh registrations have happened in the city of Mumbai. So something similar we foresee that in Jammu and Kashmir also, if the stamp duty reduction is done and also some other incentives are announced. There's tremendous growth opportunity in the real estate sector, and means the experience from the past suggests that these incentives, which are the signals which emanate from the market, they actually work in the ground.
Sir, there are people, who have certain apprehensions, they have fear that, if investors from other states are going to come, then, it's going to have a huge impact on the local industry. They are going to suffer and they are going to lose jobs. What do you want to say on that? You want to take that question?
Yeah, see, we knew this is going to be the problem, so we have found a solution for that. So we have formed Neredco Jammu and Kashmir unit, and whoever the developer who are going to come here, they are going to do joint venture with the local
You
developer.
are also going to take the local industry on board.
Not only local industry, local people also. So we want to first go into the heart of the people and then develop the Jammu and Kashmir. So we want to make our path very easy. So अगर आप कहते हैं ना कि अगर आप आदमी के दिल में बस जाओ तो बस वो दिल, अगर उसने एक दफे दिल खोल दिया तो आप जो चाहिए, मतलब then sky is the limit.
Sir, there is no dearth of talent in Jammu and Kashmir, and youngsters have to go to, other states for jobs in private sector. Do you think that if there is a boom in real estate sector in Jammu and Kashmir, and if investors are going to come from other states, the youngsters will get jobs, they will get good, corporate environment to work here in Jammu itself, in Kashmir itself?
See, Jammu Kashmir is the only state in entire country where all the sectors can flourish. You name farming, you name real estate, you know IT, you name commercial, you name logistic, then you name medical, you name pharma, and moreover, entertainment, hospitality, and tourism. So you can Keep counting only. That much potential is there.
You are saying that it's going to be a new dawn in Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, of course. Not only for Jammu and Kashmir, it will become other way around. Ki the people from other states will prefer Jammu and Kashmir over other states because Jammu and Kashmir, the weather is good, the people are good, and moreover, it's a paradise on the earth.
And you see, real estate sector means is the main driver of the economy also, and more than 250 industries, they are directly or indirectly impacted by real estate sector. So when you build a house, you need tiles, you need electric switches, you need plumbing stuff and all that. So once real estate sector takes off in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, allied industries will also take off. So this will have a means domino impact on the overall economy of the state, and I don't see any problem so far as employment opportunities for the locals are concerned. If the real estate sector goes up, and the local industry it also goes up, then obviously the local people they'll get the employment
So
opportunities.
do you see eagerness among the investors to invest in Jammu and Kashmir? Do they really want to come to Jammu and Kashmir and invest here?
This questions you should only answer because you have seen the morning session. So I think if I answer, that would be
What
not.
is your assessment?
Your assessment should be there because you have seen the Hiranandanis were there, Tata was there, DLF was there, Reja was there, every who's and who of real estate industry, that too also in the last week of the year, December. So you can see their commitments and how serious they are.
देखिए, पानी अपना रास्ता अपने आप बना लेता है। अगर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से सही तरीके के सिग्नल जाएंगे तो पूरे देश से सब लोग आके यहाँ इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार हैं, और जो भी लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट्स हैं उनका फ़ायदा स्टेट को भी मिलेगा और पूरे देश को भी मिलेगा।
Many thanks for speaking to India Today, and we wish you all the best in your plans, and we hope that investment comes to Jammu and Kashmir and there is massive development in this entire area.
Thank you. And I would like to appeal to entire media to support us in this positive moment because media's role would be very, very important because the people, there are, see, people who want to do it and people who don't want to do it. So if you project the real news and bring the facts in front of people, the people knows better and they know very well what is good for them and what is bad for them.
Thank you. So clearly a historic day for Jammu and Kashmir. The first ever Jammu and Kashmir Real Estate Summit is currently on, and there is massive enthusiasm among the investors. They are saying that they are eager to invest in Jammu and Kashmir. The government has also assured the investors that it's going to provide them incentives. So the investors are saying that they are going to invest in Jammu and Kashmir and it's going to lead job creation here. So it's a good news for the youngsters of Jammu and Kashmir, and the investors are saying that the days ahead in Jammu and Kashmir are going to be very good and achhe din are going to arrive here. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.